Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change language for your Nintendo 2DS. So first of all, we'll need to enter the settings. So press here in the top left corner of the screen, scroll down and press on this wrench right here. Now we'll need to go for other settings, move to the 4, and here we can find the language, so simply press on it, and from this list pick whichever language you want to use. After that click OK and your language will be changed. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.